This is the Lockpicking Newbie, and what I have for you today is this American 2001. This is the last of the Granger locks that I got on clearance at Granger. It was $8. I think they normally go for about $30, so I was real happy with that bargain. And appears to be a 6-pin key, which is really nice and good bidding. See the little gatekeeper there at pin 1? So let's get to picking. Well, let's get to showing that it functions. Very cool. All right. Okay. I'm using a 50 thousandths pry bar and a hook in 18. All right, so let's just get started. All right, 1 is loose. Might have something on 2. Oh my, this is a weird keyway. Yeah, 1 is loose, 2 is loose, 3 is firm. We'll click on 3. 4 is loose, 5 is loose, 6 is loose. Back to the beginning. 1 is firm now. Couple of little clicks on 1. I'm going to leave it at that. 2 is binding. Nice click on 2. 3 feels loose. 4 feels kind of loose. 5 is loose. Oops, maybe I lost count. Okay, back to the beginning. I think I want to leave 1 alone. Let's feel 2 some more. A little bit of counter rotation. And a couple of clicks like a serrated pin. Alright, that feels like 2's done. 3, little click. You know, like a serrated, like an American serrated. And then it seems to be done. Coming up on 4, little serration type clicks and then space. 5, a little serration. Oop, then maybe an overset. 5 might be good. Hopefully we can find 6, and that feels... kind of feel like I overset 1. I mean, it's set down pretty far. Ease some tension. Alright, I'll just leave 1 alone. 2 feels okay. Let's 3. Not much on 3. Still getting that space in 4. Really light clicks. Same with 5. Like it's not really the binder. Something else is the binder. Maybe it's 1. Maybe it's 2. Nothing left from 2. Let me try 1. Oh, this is scary. Or maybe 1's overset. Alright, well that gives me the opportunity to reset. I'm going to start from the back. And I'm going to try a little bit more tension. I'm trying a different camera angle here than usual to try to give you guys a better view of the actual picking. Okay, I'm like on 3 maybe, or 4. A few good clicks. All right. Going back to the back some more. So that's 6, 5, 4. So that was 3 I got those good clicks off of. Here's 2's firm. Okay, got a bunch of light clicks off of 5, like serrations. And go back to the back. Okay, everybody's springy now except for 1. Okay, 2 good clicks off of 1, and now we're done. 2 is up in the QA and firm. Some counter. Some good clicks on 2. 3 is firm. I'm going to leave it alone. Coming up on 4. Or back to 4. I have not picked this. I'm excited because it's a 6-pinner. All right, 4 took a few clicks. one nice click on 5, and then it's firm. Back to 6, and we're open. Yes! All right. Nice. All right, well done, American. Fun pick, just like I hoped it would be on 6 pins. So now we have to gut it. And for those of you who have gutted one of these before, I'll do this like this. This is going to involve some tools. So number one, let's first of all, let's get this little set screw out of here. Okay, so as I was saying, this particular lock, I have I've taken it out of the box, and I actually did remove this screw and take a look at the mechanism here. So when the core turns, it turns this actuator back here and shackle, as you can see, and that engages down in the lock. It's a big old steel puck lock, really awesome. We'll just put that over there for now. But now the trick, and then we've got this little thing to hold the housing, and then here's the Bible. All right, so now the trick is going to be, how do I get this thing off of here? And out comes the block, the hammer, and the punch. So I'm going to do my best, my friends, to tap this roll pin out and not hurt anything or anybody. Gentle taps. Don't actually have a roll punch, just a straight. Okay, got the pin out. There's the pin. Hope we can get that back in. Here's the actuator. Now the lock is locked, so no danger of things flying away. I'll get this hammer out of the way. I will do the unlock. Now I do think it's free to fly everywhere, so I'm going to shim it. I'm going to try to shim it. Let me come this way with it. All right, I think we're adequately shimmed at this juncture. I'll use the flat side of the follower. Okay. I'll go ahead and turn us around, and I'll show that we do have the 6 pins. All 6 pins needed to be picked, including pin 1, but of course not very much. All right, so let's get the key pins out. I think this is 3. It's cool, the coloring on these guys is down into the serrations, which is fun. Okay. All right, these guys are looking pretty good. Nice pins. The core, of course, is standard. Let's see, I want to, if I can do, all right, well, whatever. And let's see, how did I do this? This is the front here. Let's see, how did that just come out? That came out like that. So I'll put that towards the spring. Oh, and then I just flipped it around. It doesn't matter on these serrated spools. It's not a serrated spool, it's just a serrated pin. So 1, 2, and 3 are all serrated. Six is serrated. Come on, guys, you gotta give me a spool, huh? There's a spool. 5 is a typical American serrated spool. And 4 is serrated. The springs are all down in the chambers there. All the same, I will boldly assume. Okay. And I won't bother wasting the time to line them up, but I will come in a little bit. And yeah, there we have it. So that is the American 2001 picked and gutted with a hammer and no serious mishaps. All right. Well, guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for participating. And thanks to Grainger for all these awesome, cheap locks. That was cool. That is all I have for you today. This is the Lockpicking Newbie. Have a good day.